why do most fire journeys fail? Hey guys, and welcome back to a new episode of the My Journey Towards Fire. We're already at episode 7. So in today's episode, I'm going to talk to you about why most fire journeys fail. I'm going to talk to you about my plan, my financial plan, and about my fire dashboard that comes along with it. But before we dive into why most fire journeys fail, first up, I'm going to talk about my dividends and my portfolio. So let's dive right into it. So welcome back to my portfolio. Let's see what dividends I received till now at the month of December. So first up we have Unilever with a 35-cent dividend payout, which is quite nice. Then we have Johnson & Johnson. Always nice to see, almost €1, which is very nice. Then AGNC with 1 cent, ExxonMobil 30 cents, and then Chevron 1 cent. We are not done with the month of December, and it's already a very nice payout, especially Johnson & Johnson, which is always nice to see. So now what about the appreciation of my portfolio? Well, it had a bit of a dip and it went up again, but appreciation is not why I'm in it. But I do like seeing the number go up, but you can't always be that lucky. So that was my dividends, my portfolio. Now let's continue. So why do most fire journeys fail? Well, the simple reason is that most of them don't have a plan. They do not track their finances. They have no idea where their money is going, how much they're getting. They just open up, invest, see some money come in, but that's about it. So I've been reading a lot of books, and Rich Dad Poor Dad behind me is one of them. And Rich Dad said something that really hit me. So it's not about how much money you earn, it's about how much money you keep. Because I've seen a lot of people who earn a great salary, way more than I earn, but still they're not moving forward financially. And I've always wondered why. Well, that's the reason: they don't know how to keep money. So what I've done is I've started to build my own plan. I'm doing that in a sort of a dashboard way, which I'm going to show you right now. So I have my dashboard up here, and if the dashboard is done, because I'm still working on it, I'm still filling out my plan, seeing what works, what doesn't work. If it's done, I will release it so you can download it for free. You can fill it in yourself and see where you're standing. But first I need to finish it though. So on the first page, what I've done, I've created some real-time tracking. I can update these formulas, get the new prices, and see how much they're worth. So it's really nice, a nice function from Excel. I really like it. I've added 2 additional table rows. One is the amount of shares I have. Looked it up in Trading 212, and the value is just a simple formula which calculates or multiplies my amount of shares with the price to get a total. And I've added a pie chart next to it, so I can see my allocation, and that is just put the industry, so how much money I have in what industry. So I can see if industry is doing well, doing poorly. I've got some visuals on it. Next up, I have the cash flow chart. So I have my assets right now, my liabilities, my income, and my expenses. I have a pie chart, especially for the liabilities, which is really high at the moment. If you have watched my previous episodes, you know I'm still owning a house which I'm trying to sell. I already found a new place, so I got a lot of expenses right now, which I'm working on, but that's why I wanted to highlight the liabilities. So you can fill it in, and then you can see my current cash flow, which is a simple income minus my expenses. So I have my liabilities and assets are added into it, and as you can see, I'm right now at a negative €1,181. Don't worry, I'm doing fine financially, but I'm really working on it, trying to get my liabilities to go down in order to save some money. Next up, I have a table for growth with the assets, liabilities, income, and expenses, so I can track how much my assets have grown during the months, my little liabilities, how much they've gone down, because you want liabilities to go down, of course, how much my income has increased and my expenses has decreased. And then I have a little bit of a total on the right side, so you can see how much of everything you've done, which is very nice. Then I have my fire date. So this is not my end goal eventually, but for now it's my first big goal, and it's to become financially independent. That's why I'm doing this series, Road to Fire. I think I need around 3,000 euros a month to live. It could be less, of course, but I want to live, a good life. I want to be able to go out, have a drink, go to eat, whatever. So I set it to 3,000 euros a month, and I want it to come from assets alone, meaning I can stop working and still get it. So I've made a simple calculation. This one refers to the previous page of my assets, the total of that. And then this one calculates if it's more or less than my assets. And right now you can see I get the Boolean, which is false, which means I'm not financially independent yet. Very close though, but not quite there yet. And this one I'm still working on. Like I said, it's work in progress. This is going to be my total dividend history. I'm not sure yet how I want to arrange it and everything, but I'm looking into it. Once it's done, of course I will show it. And then once the Fire dashboard is completely done, I will give it to you guys, free download, fill it in yourselves and see how you're doing. So yeah, that was it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything in this series is based on my personal experience and research, not professional advice. Please do your own research or talk to a licensed advisor if you're making serious financial decisions.